it will take 250 minutes to charge it 100% according to this estimate. Time is now 4:02 p.m. and this phone is now at 9% charge. So we will ride for 15 minutes and check how much the charger has charged it. Time is now 4:17 and the battery has been charged up to 15%. So now we will increase the load on the charger. We'll turn the brightness to full, then turn on the mobile data and we'll start the Google Map. Time is now 4:32 and charge is at 15%. So let's go to a place and do the math. So let's do the math. First time we had 6% charge in 15 minutes. If we calculate that, it will take 250 minutes to charge it 100% according to this estimate. It means almost 4 hours and this is a 5000 ampere hour battery. So you do the math for your phone's capacity. And also when we put on the brightness to 100%, then turn on the data and put on GPS navigation, the charger could not charge it at all. For the whole 15 minute time, the battery percentage stayed at 15%. It did not decrease, but it did not increase also. So if you want to buy this charger, choose wisely.